The Schluter-KERDI waterproofing membrane provides comprehensive moisture management in shower applications. Here's how to install it. In this shower, gypsum board is used on the walls, although other solid backing panels such as tile backer boards may be used instead. If the Schluter-KERDI board SN prefabricated shower niche will be incorporated in the shower, consider installing the niche prior to KERDI installation. Please refer to the KERDI board SN shower niche within KERDI assembly video for details. The KERDI membrane is bonded to the walls using unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel, or the Schluter-KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Wipe down the walls with a damp sponge to remove any dust. For particularly dry and porous substrates, it is recommended to wet the substrate first, in order to help prevent premature drying or skinning of the thin-set mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the wall with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface. And then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. The walls must be covered with the KERDI membrane up to the shower head at minimum. Embed the KERDI membrane into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Periodically peel the KERDI back to check for coverage. Proper installation results in full contact between the fleece and thin-set mortar. Re-embed the membrane. The KERDI membrane application is continued on adjacent walls. Waterproof integrity is maintained at joints using a 2-inch wide overlap in conjunction with unmodified thin-set mortar. For example, KERDI sheets may be joined using a 2-inch wide lap seam. Alternatively, KERDI sheets may be butted and covered with Schluter-KERDI-band waterproofing strips centered over the joint. Since kerdi-band is 1/2 the thickness of the KERDI membrane, build-up at seams is minimized using this method. A lap seam is demonstrated on the plumbing wall. A kerdi-band seam is demonstrated on the back wall. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the area where the banding is to be installed. Embed the kerdi-band into the thin-set mortar. Apply unmodified, thin-set mortar to the area where the Schluter-KERDI seal prefabricated waterproofing accessories are to be installed. Place the seals and embed them into the mortar. Schluter-KERDI Seal MV is used to protect moisture-sensitive solid backing, such as gypsum board, at the mixing valve. Schluter-KERDI Seal PS is used to seal protrusions through the KERDI membrane at the shower head. As an alternative, KERDI Fix or other suitable sealant can be used in these areas. The walls are now waterproof and vapor tight.